Okay, before I had the sheet to tiller steering completely the wrong way round, and the poor old boat was trying to steer herself, despite what I was doing with a negative feedback system. So here we have a proper feedback system. So we have this rope here straight onto this catch on the boom, and then it goes down to a block here, across to a block here, and back to the tiller. On the other side, the elastic bit, I've got a piece of line that goes round here, round this block here, and to two bits of bungee. We're supposed to use medical tubing, but now she's just come off the wind there. Let's see what she does. Well, she just accommodated that wind shift pretty well, actually. And the sources of adjustment I've got, obviously I can adjust these clove hitches here, but the best adjustments seem to be here. So I've got that going down to the stern cleat, and this one here, which goes down to stern cleat. So I can adjust these, and they seem to be, when the wind chips up, I need more bunge. But when the wind's easy like this, then I can adjust here and here for the course. Now you're wandering around a bit now, aren't you, darling?